Welcome to Luxury Car TV, your destination for timeless classics, premium performance, and vintage automotive elegance from every era. The 1966 Chevrolet Caprice 396 is a symbol of American automotive craftsmanship, blending refined styling with powerful performance. As Chevrolet's top-tier full-size model in the mid-60s, the Caprice was positioned above the Impala and offered luxury-level features that helped define the full-size car segment of its time. The Caprice nameplate itself was introduced just a year earlier in 1965 as a trim option and became a standalone model in 1966, quickly earning a reputation for upscale design and muscular performance. Under the hood of this classic lies a 396 cubic inch V8 engine, part of Chevy's legendary big block lineup. This engine was known for its raw power and solid reliability. The 396 engine was offered in several versions, producing horsepower ranging from 325 to 375 depending on the configuration. The most common option in the Caprice delivered around 325 horsepower and was paired with a turbo hydra-matic automatic transmission, providing smooth shifts and consistent performance on the road. For those seeking a bit more excitement, a 4-speed manual transmission was also available, enhancing the car's appeal to driving enthusiasts. This full-size car boasted a rear-wheel drive layout and a body-on-frame construction, which provided strength and durability. Its suspension system featured coil springs all around with independent front suspension, allowing for a comfortable and composed ride. The Caprice was known for gliding effortlessly over road imperfections, making it a favorite among families and long-distance cruisers. In terms of design, the 1966 Caprice delivered a refined and elegant appearance. It had a long, wide body with clean lines, tasteful chrome accents, and a formal roofline that distinguished it from its sportier sibling, the Impala. The signature Caprice grille was more elaborate and upscale, while the tail section featured triple taillights on each side integrated into the rear bumper. Many models came with deluxe wheel covers and whitewall tires, enhancing the luxury image inside. The Caprice emphasized comfort and elegance. The cabin was spacious and could comfortably seat up to 6 passengers. Upholstery options included cloth and vinyl or full vinyl seating surfaces, often with intricate patterns and rich textures. Wood grain trim adorned the dashboard and door panels, while additional sound insulation made the ride quieter than other models in Chevrolet's lineup. Standard equipment included padded dashboards, courtesy lights, and an electric clock, while optional features like air conditioning, power windows, power seats, and AM/FM radios gave buyers a chance to personalize their vehicles with high-end amenities. The instrument panel was well organized and functional, offering a speedometer, fuel gauge, and warning lights. Optional instrumentation included a tachometer and additional gauges for battery, oil pressure, and temperature, giving drivers more information at a glance. The Caprice also featured advanced safety features for the time, such as seat belts, a dual master cylinder braking system, and an energy-absorbing steering column. The 1966 Caprice was available in several body styles, including a 4-door hardtop, a 2-door coupe, and a station wagon. The coupe featured a sleek, pillarless design, while the wagon offered practicality with a touch of luxury. Each version carried the same sense of upscale style and solid performance, making the Caprice a versatile choice for a wide range of buyers. What really set the 1966 Chevrolet Caprice apart was how it combined the brute power of the 396 V8 with the refinement and elegance of a luxury sedan. It offered a unique experience that allowed drivers to enjoy muscle car-level performance without sacrificing comfort and style. This made it a strong contender against other premium full-size cars of the era and secured its place as a sought-after classic among collectors and enthusiasts today. Over the years, the 1966 Caprice 396 has earned a loyal following thanks to its timeless design, strong mechanicals, and the distinct sound of its big block engine. It remains a highly collectible model, especially when equipped with the 396 engine, factory performance options, and original interior trim. Restored examples often appear at car shows and auctions, celebrated for their originality and the statement they make about 1960s American automotive culture. That wraps up our detailed look at the 1966 Chevrolet Caprice 396 and all the features that made it a standout car of its era. If you enjoyed this video and want more deep dives into legendary cars, be sure to like the video, share it with other car lovers, and most importantly, subscribe to Luxury Car TV for more classic car content you won't want to miss.